I'm taking apart because it's just spoiled. I don't want it anymore. Over the years, the plastic will become very brittle and break. Look at the inside here. Yeah, it can break easily. See? Can you see that? Very bad. The design is very bad. See, it's all rusted. Something like rust. I don't know what it is. This is the boiler. That's how it looks like inside a water tank, water heater. This is the area that boils the water. That's it. The only thing I took from here is the wire. The wire and screws are quite important. This is what you can take from the water heater for your next use. Very important. Keep it. This is the pump. That's all I need to do. I'm going to throw this all away. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.